Welcome back to another episode of Diabetes 180. A little over a year ago, I made this video of what my wife eats in a day to reverse her diabetes in just 6 weeks, as well as help her towards her journey towards losing 63 pounds. Right? Today in this video, we're going to summarize the three key ingredients to put together the meals that she put together to experience this drastic life transformation. Okay, so this video is perfect for anybody who's looking to come off medications, lose weight, get a drastic improvement in their A1C. If you're tired of blood sugar spikes after meals, keep watching so you could put together these three ingredients yourself. Okay, so ingredient number one is key. Focus on fiber. See, there's a lot of benefits to fiber. One of the main benefits is that fiber is essentially a 0-calorie nutrient, okay? And the foods that are rich in fiber, that is whole grains like brown rice, millet, barley, quinoa, also legumes like beans, chickpeas, lentils. These foods bulk up your meal so that you could feel full without adding calories. The fiber present in these food components also feed your healthy gut microbiome so that you can have a negative feedback loop sent to your brain to trigger your hunger satisfaction. So the second thing, or a key ingredient to putting together the meals that she made, is to focus on foods that are minimally processed. Think about ingredients lists, okay? Foods that are highly processed have a long ingredient list. Foods that are minimally or non-processed often have no food label at all, right? So focus on the produce aisle. Make sure the majority of your food is coming from foods that have no label, all right? And if you do have a food that has a label, make sure it's minimally processed, meaning not a lot of added sugars or oils and fat, right? Artificial flavors and preservatives that kill your gut microbiome and also lead to weight gain and poor satisfaction when it comes to feeling full. Okay, so focusing on fiber, number one. Number two, making sure your foods are from minimally processed sources. Those are the two ingredients. Those are very important ingredients, but without the third ingredient, it all comes apart. And that third ingredient is to have a healthy mindset. Okay, so a healthy mindset means you come to realize that food is medicine, that nothing tastes as good as healthy feels. Okay, a lot of us are focusing on trying to change our behaviors, trying to focus on just pure grit and determination and willpower to break food cravings. But really, we got to change our mind before we change our behaviors. Okay, the mind is a throne where all commands are obeyed. Okay, so when you start to transition your thought process into thinking of what this food is doing to my body instead of just my taste buds, it will enable you to make better decisions. So focus on a healthy mindset, seeing food as medicine, not just as something to feed our cravings. Okay, so if you struggle with the third ingredient, you're not alone. I think a lot of us know, but we struggle with putting into action what we know because of that healthy mindset that takes time to develop. But once you do develop a healthy mindset, there's literally neural pathways that are solidified in your brain that become a part of you. And now you have this healthy mindset for life. And that's what we focus on here on Diabetes 180, helping you to build step by step a healthy mindset which leads to a healthy life and lifestyle behaviors. And that's something you need. If you need a coach to support you in building a healthy mindset so that you could build a healthy body for life, then check the links in the bio section for a link to a free consultation. We don't charge for our consultations. During this 30-minute to 40-minute session, we talk together to see if our program works for you. And you can walk away knowing that not only do I know what to do, but I am now empowered to do it. All right, so beloved, I pray above all things that you may prosper and be in good health. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss our future videos. See you next week.